Okay, you guys are here to look at how we continue this crazy, brilliant visualization method. Well, I like it. I like visualizing things. In this video, we're going to be looking at the integration methods. And the first one to start with is the equivalent method of the chain rule in integration and how it's different. A quick reminder, if I was going to differentiate the expression, the method would go as follows. 5x plus 2 and y would be the overall function. U dash would be 5. Y dash would be 4u to the 3. And then because we're doing chain rule, it's these bottom two that are going to multiply. We'll just bear that in mind when we see this new method, okay? So with the new method, we still draw ourselves a merry little table. The difference here comes in a second. It's still 5x plus 2 is u. We're still noticing that we have a function inside a function, x to the 4 and 5x plus 2. And you can see that the 5x plus 2 has gone into the x to the 4. And the overall function we'll call y to be now u to the 4. Okay, so far exactly the same as before. Okay, I'm going to call it integral chain, just so I remember that I'm integrating here rather than differentiating. When we differentiate down here, we are not looking to find the derivative. We're looking to find the reciprocal of the derivatives. Just draw myself an arrow and say 5 implies that we want 1/5. And on the right hand side, we're not going to be differentiating. This is integration. We're going to integrate y, and the front is going to be divided by the new power. Now we have this set up as we do. The method is the same. It's these two multiplied together. That's going to be 1 over 25 u, which is 5x plus 2 to the power 5. And because we're integrating with no definite limits, we plus c. So one more time, the differences here occur here, where instead of using that, we're going to find the reciprocal. And here, where instead of differentiating, we're going to integrate, as does make a lot of sense. Okay, so that's how we're going to use our box method to keep ourselves nice and organized and relate it to the similar patterns that we've been using previously. If you want to do some practice on using the integrations version of a chain rule, then click on the video that's the end of this one, and I'll see you there. If you want to support this channel, head on over to Patreon. You can get extra resources and a free gift with every sub.